guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different. Change of background. I'm at my grandmother's, surprise surprise, and I'm wearing my I Just Deluxe hair bubble. Yes, I've been wanting these locks for, not locks, like hair extensions, braids, twists. I've been wanting this for over a month. I wanted to do my hair like this when I went to Fanta and Sav, and I didn't get a chance to. So like the following week I'm like, yo, let's get her done. And I am so excited. I have a full review coming up right after this video on this hair, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about my kicks, and let me warn you, mama has been wearing them, so they're a little bit dirty. So what I'm talking about, they're a little bit dirty. These are the Puma by Rihanna. No, these are Fenty by Rihanna, and she collaborated with Puma. It has the by Rihanna on the back, that's how you know that it's her line, and the tongue is a little bit longer. They have some new ones now, not new ones, I believe it's just the same thing, but Rihanna's name isn't attached to them, so they're cheaper, and the tongue isn't as long, it's a little bit shorter. These ones were $179 US, and you see there's a stone underneath it, so these ones are $179 US. And the other one that doesn't have Rihanna's name attached to it, those are for $89. So those are for $89. So I want to talk about these and how they've been helping me in my fitness journey. First of all, your girl has lost 21 pounds. Can we just talk about it, boo-boo? Can we talk about how I started on the 1st of March at 179 pounds, and now, as of today, the 12th of May, I know this video is going to be like, oh, it's the 12th of May, she filmed this video, but yeah, I have to pre-record. But on the 12th of May, I'm 156 pounds, that's my morning weight, but I tack on 2 more pounds for evening, because I go by my evening weight. So yeah, and the aim this week was for me to be 158 as my morning weight, you know, but I am 156 as my morning weight. So I just said I lost 21 pounds, but I'm sure it's more than, it's probably 23, 24, but I'm just gonna say 21 pounds. And Saturday the 1st of March, March, April, May, 2 months. I don't know, I'm horrible at math, or whatever that was just now. Yeah, so I have always, if you follow me on my vlog channel Lyric Uncut, I have always struggled with knee pains. I've always struggled with back pains as well, and my knee would hurt, my ankle. I would put up videos, I would put up on my Snapchat of my knee in a knee brace, of my ankles in the ankle brace, always, because I'd always be in pain. And it's the shoes that I was, whatever they said, it was the shoes that I was wearing. Even people on the hill say, yo, it's a shoe that you're wearing. If you want me to do a full video on my weight loss and what I eat, just let me know by giving me like a thumbs up. If this video gets over 1,000 thumbs up, then I'll do that video. But I just don't want to do it if you don't want me to do it, you know what I mean? I'm just coming back to let you guys know about the shoe, even though I didn't say I wanted to know about the shoes, but I feel like this is a struggle for most people. These shoes are expensive in my book. I think $179 to pay for a pair of shoes is expensive. I think so. It might not be expensive to you, but I think so. But when I do my research on Google, you know, what knee shoes for knee pain, whatever, the Puma site came up. And when I was scrolling through the Puma site, I saw that Rihanna had did a collab, and I was like, Rihanna did a collab, Evangelist Rihanna doing collab? I never know, say Evangelist. I never know. So then I went on YouTube hoping for reviews, and I couldn't find any reviews for fitness, which is a trainer. So I'm expecting people to be working out in them. No, like people are wearing them out. I found this one video where this girl, she's a dancer, and she was dancing in them. Now I think since I've been wearing these for the past 3 weeks now, I think, or 3.5 weeks, I have not had any knee pains. Understand me, I have not had any knee pains whatsoever. None. No knee pains. No knee pains whatsoever. None. And when I first, because I bought it and Germany say, I go where them go hill, I'm say I'm mad, no much for them, them go no around to hill. Him say no man, try. So I work, I say alright, I'm gonna wear it one time, come feel cute. I'm wear one time go hill, and from where the one time I was sold. Right here is an elastic band, and this part, it's an elastic band, and it hugs your foot. I'm a size 6, and I think it's a 6.5 or a 6, but this thing runs true to size. And because of the elastic band, I can wear this with socks and without socks. And I wear it with socks when I go into the hill. When I'm going out, my white power, she looks sexy and cute. I'm wear it without socks. So I wear my shoes like on a day-to-day basis, and as well to the hill, to show you how resilient this is. It is expensive, but boo, it is so worth it. I don't consider myself as one who dabbles in luxury, but I buy things that aren't necessarily cheap, but they're not necessarily expensive either, and I buy them with the mindset of them lasting long. Yeah, because you know, I have most of my of course bags, the watch, all of them, something there. But when I saw this, I was like, yo dog, I will put one of this. This better work. And it does. And right in here you have little reflectors, so even if you're jogging in the nights or walking in the nights or whatever, it's perfect. You'll be seen by a vehicle because of the reflectors that are right here. And this high tongue, it is so weird. When I saw it, I was like, what the hell, why should I go so that never necessary? But it works. Everything just hugs your foot, right? It has this breathable material right here. Your foot don't feel, my feet never sweat when I wear this, ever, especially when I wear it without socks. What I'm talking about, when I wear it without socks, it does not sweat. Of course, when I wear it with socks, it's when I'm going to the hill and I'm sweating all over, so duh, I'm gonna sweat. But my feet in it don't stink, and inside it's a Fenty in there as well. And it pull up, so I just slip. There's no elastic, there's no shoestring, as you can see, so I just slip my foot in and I use this part here and I pull up, and I've been pulling up for weeks. It is so resilient. I'm just blown away by how amazing this is. And at the back here, it would seem as if it adds some support. I don't know, maybe it does, but I'm just sold on this little elastic part, because that little elastic part, it just hugs the front part of my foot and I feel so secure in it. Have I ever slipped? Oh, cons, the only thing I don't like about it is the space right here. If you live abroad or if you live somewhere where you don't have a lot of rubble and like stones or whatever in your fan, this will not be an issue for you. But this space here, have to pick stones out of it, because then I go to the hill and there's a lot of rubble and stones and stuff. Even just walking normally, you know, I get a lot of stones, not a lot, but like 1 and 2, literally 1 and 2 caught in each foot, or sometimes 1 in one foot and 1 in one foot and 2 in the next foot. Yeah, so I did a full unboxing video I did a ship me haul, and that was a part of it, and did an unboxing video with it, and they came with this Fenty bag. And I use this bag because, as you can tell, I'm by my grandmother, so whenever I'm coming up here, I just put my shoes in this bag along with my workout clothes and drawstring it, and I'm good to go. What else? Yeah, that's what I wanted to come by and let you guys know my thoughts on it as a workout shoe, or you can even use it to weight train, you can use it to go to the gym. And the grip at the bottom is sweet, so nice, so killer. I love it. You look absolutely cute in it. I want to get the red and the white one. I know that's a bit pretentious, but I want to get the red one just to wear on a day-to-day basis, and the white one as well, and keep the black one as my workout shoes, because now this one serves dual purposes. As I told you guys before, I wear it out and I went to the hill, and the hill is where I do my exercises. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about, just to give you guys my little experience with the shoe. And if you guys are wondering, you know, should I get it? Hell yes. But more so, get the less expensive one. You can go on chicshoes.com or pys.com or even on puma.com, and you can get the ones that look just like this. As I was saying before, they look just like this, but the tongue is shorter, and it's for $89. So it's way cheaper than the Rihanna, than the Fenty's. So these are the Fenty's, but I have the Puma one that are just like this, same thing, except it don't have by Rihanna here, and it don't have the Fenty inside of it. Where is it? Yeah, where is it? Yeah, it doesn't have the Fenty. Wait there. Oh, it robot. Sorry, robot. It doesn't have the Fenty inside of it, and the tongue isn't this long. The tongue is about a little bit shorter. So yeah, I'm down 21 pounds, and when I hit 140, I'll be starting my gym sesh. So I'll be going to the gym once I hit 140 pounds, and I'll let you guys know how those hold up for the gym, with weightlifting and the treadmill and all that junk. But I wouldn't be doing the treadmill when I go to the gym. I'll be more working on gains, you know, like abs, ass, you know, stuff like that, quads, biceps, triceps, all that good stuff. But yeah, so that's basically it. That's what I wanted to combine, let you guys know about those shoes and how they are massively amazing. I know if you're thinking about getting it for working out, just bite the bullet. I mean, you already have workout tights that are the same price as these shoes, Lululemon. But I'm just saying, when I was researching workout gear, I had no idea it was that expensive. I'm like, bruh. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't want to ramble anymore, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. I just feel lots coming through, baby. I just feel lots coming through, baby.